Productivity. It's always been the magic word of industrial production. However, climate change, global networking and international crises are bringing new maxims to the forefront of entrepreneurial and technical behaviors. To remain competitive in the long term, these new needs now require companies to reimagine the concept of productivity. The crux of the matter becomes sustainability. But how can we achieve a production turnaround towards sustainable productivity? How can we enable companies to deal successfully with drastic crises? And how do we use the variety of data already recorded in manufacturing companies? At the 30th Aachen Machine Tool Colloquium in 2021, we will be dealing with these issues. Join us, digitally or analog, for innovative expert talks, an industrial exhibition and guided tours through the research facilities of the RWTH Aachen campus, the largest production technology research cluster in Europe. And join us in discussing the resilient and sustainable production of the future.